Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a ledger fishing rod. First, firmly attach your fishing reel to the rod's reel seat. Make sure it's snug and won't wobble during use. Next, take your fishing line and carefully thread it through every single guide on the rod, starting from the tip and working your way down towards the reel. This ensures smooth casting and retrieval. Now, let's prepare for the ledger weight. Tie a strong fishing swivel to the end of your main line using a reliable knot, such as a Palomar or uni knot. This swivel prevents line twist. After that, slide your chosen ledger weight, often a running sinker weighing between 1/2 ounce and 2 ounces, onto the main line. It should sit freely above the swivel. With the sinker and swivel in place, it's time for your leader. Attach a leader line, typically made of fluorocarbon or monofilament, to the open end of the swivel. This leader should be about 18 to 36 inches in length. Finally, tie your chosen fishing hook securely to the very end of this leader line. Ensure your knot is strong and tested. Before you cast out, perform a few crucial final checks. Gently pull on all your knots to confirm they are tight and secure, preventing any break-offs. Verify that your fishing line runs smoothly through every rod guide without any snags. Lastly, adjust your reel's drag setting appropriately for your target fish. You are now ready to fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.